Hi, this is Chris from AUX Designer, and today I want to show you how to scan a QR code in AUXPlayer. So here we have an AUX channel that has a bot on the surface, and what we're going to do is when we click on this bot, it's going to open a QR code scanner. We can scan a QR code, and then it's going to return the data from that QR code in a small message at the bottom of the screen called a toast. So we're going to start by setting up an OnClick event. And in that OnClick event, we're going to call player.openQRCodeScanner. So when they click on the bot, it'll open a QR code scanner. And player.openQRCodeScanner is an action tag, so we need to open and close a parentheses at the end. All right, now we're going to add a second action tag called onQRCodeScanned. So when the QR code is scanned, we want it to do something. That's what we're going to write in this. So on QR code scan, we are going to start by closing the QR code scanner because once it's scanned, we don't need it anymore. So player.close QR code scanner. And this is a action tag as well. So we need to open and close the parentheses. And then we wanted to make a message called a toast. So we call player.toast, and then in parentheses, we get it what we want it to toast, the message we want to get. So we want to get a string called QR code. So in parentheses, we add the text QR code, a colon, and a space, because we want a space between the colon and the data we're going to get. Then we can close those quotation marks. And then we put plus and that refers to the data that we are getting from the QR code. In this case, it's going to be a bunch of zeros and then the number 194. And the other QR code I'm going to scan is a bunch of zeros and the number 200. So I'm going to click on this bot. It'll open up my QR code scanner. I'll scan this. This is the 200 QR code, as you can see there at the bottom of the screen. It returns QR code, a bunch of zeros, and then 200. Here's QR code 194, as you can see in the toast on the bottom of the screen. So that's just one thing you can do with QR codes, and in other videos I'm going to show you more you can do. And that's how you scan a QR code in AUXPlayer. Thank you.